Welcome to Allplan 2009 Quick Start Tutorial Unit 3. In this chapter, I will demonstrate how to generate 3D sections in Allplan and how to derive objects. First, I have to choose the data for this chapter. For this, we go to Open on a project-specific basis in the File menu and activate Unit 3. All other structural levels are deactivated. By closing the window, I return to the drawing area. The entire building should now have been loaded. As you can see here, 2 clipping lines have been added. In order to view a section, there are different possibilities. I can click on the section symbol down here at the right and can then enter the desired section name in the dialog line to open the section. Alternatively, I can also click on the clipping line in the floor plan. The section is automatically generated and displayed. I exit the section and switch to the single viewport display by using Alt-1. Let's have a closer look at the project structure. I go to Open on a project-specific basis and deactivate the Not Unit 3. Alternatively to using the menu command, I can also switch to this window by double-clicking the left mouse button at any time. Here on the right, we find the building structure. I find all the automatically generated objects from the model such as views, sections, and lists. Once I've created derivations, these can be updated at any time. Changes in the building model are automatically implemented, for example, in the elevation. Let's open up the north view and activate it. As we can see, individual documents and drawing files are assigned to each structural level. Each drawing file has a number and a name, and the status of each drawing file can be set. With these 3 symbols here on the left, we can set whether we want the drawing file to be unselected, reference, edit mode, or active. We will activate drawing file 1001 and click on the entry with the right mouse button. In the shortcut menu, we select Generate View, Rear, North Elevation. Allplan now automatically generates the elevation and saves it to drawing file 1001. Let's have a look at the result. In order to improve the appearance of the elevation creatively, we will add a few elements. I switch to Open on a project-specific basis, activate drawing file 1002, and set drawing file 1001 to edit mode. Now I can select some respective symbols. For this, I go to Get from Library. Here I select the symbol catalog and 2D architecture. Then choose the file 34, People Filled, and I can already select the desired entry down here by clicking on the preview. The selected symbol is now attached to the crosshair and we can deposit it at the desired position. Besides the graphic elements, we can of course also generate lists such as area calculations automatically. Let's switch back to the building structure. First, deactivate the structural level north view and then choose the list floor area down here with the right mouse button. In the shortcut menu, I now click on Create List. Allplan now automatically generates a list of all the areas. These can then be edited in Excel, for example, or can be printed directly. Besides the list I demonstrated, you can also export graphic lists. Try this using the steel bar lists, for example. As you can see, it is really easy to export automatically generated views, sections, or lists. When the building is changed, the data is always updated to the current planning status.